Hi teachers! In third grade, the students do a study of Peter Pan, and for the end of Topic 1 assessment, they have to choose one of the characters from the story and describe how their own personal perspective is the same as or different from the character that they chose. Well, rather than doing a writing assignment, I thought it would be kind of fun and interesting if the students did a Flipgrid. So I've pulled up my Flipgrid account and I've opened it up to My Grids. And let me show you how we could set up a Flipgrid for your students to create a video where they described how their perspective was the same or different from the character in the story that they choose. So here I have my 3 grids that I've already created for other things, but I'm going to add a new one for third grade language arts. So we're going to call it third grade language arts. And then what you do is you select how you want your students to access it. I could do school email, but I'm going to stick with student ID. And I'm going to come down here and click Next. And then this is where I enter in the students. So I'm going to say John Doe, John D123, and add. And then Jane Smith, Jane Smith S123, and add her. And so now I have my students, and I'm going to click Next. So here I can print a student list, and it's going to give the QR codes that the students can use to access this Flipgrid, and it's going to print those out. However, I don't want to print them at this time, so I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel, and X out of that, and I'm going to launch my grid. So here it says, yay, my grid is ready, and I'm going to say All Set. So here I have third grade language arts, my grid is ready, and then down here I'm going to add a new topic, and this topic is going to be Peter Pan because I want to have different topics in third grade. So let's do, I can add a new topic or I can edit this one. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and edit this one, I think. So rather than calling it welcome, I'm going to say Peter Pan. And I'm going to give the students 2 minutes for their video. And then down here, I'm going to change that to choose a character in the story, create a Flipgrid describing how your perspective is the same as or different from the character you choose. And then this right here is just a cute little Snoopy thing. I could change it to something that was about Peter Pan if I had something, but I'm going to leave it like it is. And then I could give a tip right here. I could add some attachments. And I can come down here and I can state when I want to launch this and when I want it to end, but I'm going to leave it just like that. Video features. Students can add filters, stickers, and drawings when they do their video. They can edit and rearrange the video clips. They can add some other information here like titles, but I'm not going to allow them to like other students' videos. I'm going to leave that one turned off. And then down here, I'm going to say Update Topic. And so here I have Peter Pan. Now, a really easy way to let people access this would be to add topic guests, and I can turn on that. And then here I have a code that I can use. So I'm going to copy that, and I'll show you how quick it is to access this Flipgrid using that code. So I'm going to open up a new tab, copy and paste it. And here we go, third grade language arts, Peter Pan. There are my directions right here. And then down here is where the students would click the green plus sign and to add their video. So I'm just going to do a really quick little snippet here so you can see how easy it is to add a video. Since I'm a guest, I'm going to type in my name. And I don't need an email address, that is optional. I'm going to say let's go. So, hello, here I am, and it says record a video. You have 2 minutes, so it tells you all of that. And all they'll have to do is click right here on this button, and it counts down. You can say, hi, my name is Wendy, and I have a different perspective from you. Wendy's one of the characters in this story. So you can go on and talk about it, and they could have a script written out that they could follow. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to hit that, and I am done. So I can click to trim this if I want to, but I'm finished with it. And here I am. I can take a selfie if I want. So there's my selfie. If I wanted to, I can add some emojis. I think I'll add that one. There I am. Put that on top of it. Here I am, very happy. And now my video is done. I could do a title if I wanted to. I could do a link if I wanted to, and I can submit my video. Congrats, there it is. So I am complete. And there is my video. So that's a really quick and simple way for the students to explain how their perspective is the same as or different from a character in the story. Thanks so much.